chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and you click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. Don't want y'all missing out. If you're returning, thank you so much for being here again. It means everything to me. I couldn't do it without y'all's love and support, and I am beyond thankful. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. It's a mom on the go, back to school, you know, in a rush in the morning, kind of splash on some makeup kind of look. Just keep watching. For primer, I'm going in with the Master Blur Stick by Face Studio Pore Minimizing Primer. And like I said, this is just something you can do real quick. You gotta hurry up and be somewhere and you don't want to go without makeup, but you don't want this just like full on glam look. So I'm just gonna put this in my T-zone area. For foundation, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Beige. Mine's a little messy. Sorry. And I am just putting this everywhere. Alright, I'm just going in with my Real Techniques face and body sponge. This thing is awesome. I have tanned some, so this foundation may be a little light, but we're working with it. Alright, for concealer, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And a lot of the products I'm using today are Wet n Wild, but I feel like they're just so affordable. And I'm just using this to highlight underneath my eyes, get rid of my dark circles, and to prime my eyelids. Alright, to set everything, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair. I do want to get a smaller brush real quick and just make sure I set underneath the eyes real good, but I don't want to add too much and make them dry and cakey. Alright, to bronze up the face, I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Bronzer in Bronze. And I'm just putting this kind of on my cheeks, around my forehead, underneath my chin, just to give me that beach look, like I've been in the sun, even though I haven't been. Well, I mean, I've been in a tanning bed, but I want to add a little bit more color to the face. Alright, I am not going to contour. This is a quick mom on the go, mom on the go, back to school type look, so we're not going to contour because we're in a hurry. Alright, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Mellow Wine. From Wet n Wild, if I didn't already say that. I'm just going to build that up on my cheeks to my desired color. Alright, for highlight, we're going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. I love this stuff, if you can't tell. And I am just putting this on my cheeks. I'm trying to keep in mind that this is, you know, quick look for school, mom on the go, not a full-on glam look. So we're trying to keep it simple yet pretty. Alright, now for eyeshadow, we're going in with the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. I have done, my neck hurts. Anyways, I have done a look with this before, but this one will be different. But like I said, I'm just trying to keep it, you know, mainly Wet n Wild because their products are so affordable. Okay, so we're just going in with a Morphe M441 brush, and we're going in with that transition shade, and we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And we're going to put that in the crease. And Alright, next I'm going to go in with the next transition shade. But I'm going to go in really lightly. Since it's so much darker than that other transition shade, we don't want it to be... We want to build it up. And I'm not bringing that as high up as I did the other one. So I'm uploading this on Sunday, and I hope everybody had an amazing, amazing weekend. I've got a lot I've got to do after this, so sorry I'm not really talkative. Alright, now I'm going to get my Morphe G13 brush, and that like purplish shade. I'm going to barely dip into it and put just a little bit on the outer corner. I don't want it too dark. This is a more simple look. And then I'm just going to get that brush and blend out the edges. Alright, now I'm actually going to go back in with the highlighter and just use a dense packing brush and put some of that on my lid. I love this gold color. And then just kind of blend that around the edges and a little bit where the two colors meet so they come together nicely. Alright, then I'm going to take that light shade. I'll highlight my brow bone with that. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going in with my NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On. Waterproof in Pure White. And this is just to make me feel, I wish it made me feel. This is just to make me look more awake. You can do it with this or a nude color. I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil in, I think it's light brown, something like that. Anyways, I just got it last night, so this is my first time using it, so we'll see. I will say that I do like this pencil. It is a little dark, but I like it. It was easy to work with. And, okay, that primer, I used it in my first impressions, I think last Sunday. And this is only like my second or third time using it. And I love this foundation. Like, this foundation sits so well on my skin, but it is like breaking up. It looks so blotchy. Like, oh my gosh, I hate it. My complete thoughts on that primer is I do not like it. Like I said, I have used this foundation and this powder so many times, and I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. But with this primer, it is not looking good at all. I don't know if y'all can see just how patchy and dry it looks. And it may work with a different foundation, better with a different foundation or something like that. I guess I'll have to try it again. Maybe with more hydrating foundation. I don't know. But with this foundation, no. I got powder all over me. Anyways, oh, and if y'all see my nails, my daughter did my nails the other day. She gave me a manicure. It was so much fun. Anyways, for my mascara, I'm going in with the Waterproof Plumpify by CoverGirl Blast Pro, whatever. I love this stuff. It's awesome. Okay, for my lips, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Lip Paints in 314. Alright, and to set everything, I'm going in with my Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. If you've been watching me, then you saw my video where my sprayer's messed up and it goes out like that. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm getting so close to 1K, and when that happens, it's giveaway time. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Like I said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!